Anne Hathaway. The picture shows a red shoe with the heel as the devil's pitchfork. This suggests the idea that the film could be about fashion. Also, the white background could signify purity of the character and innocence.
When we're looking at psychological thrillers, we come to find that they're really different from action films as well. And these two movies in particular, we can see that they create a lot of enigma, and they both have a lot of intricate narrative.
They do that thing where who looks better.
Yeah.
True.
And it's usually the one that's slimmer or has the curves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
So
fact that you make it